Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another bunny chat mask with me. Today I'm using the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial. I have already done a mask with me with this mask in particular. I'm saying the word mask way too many times, but I want to do it again only because this is actual necessity. My birthday's in a couple days and I want my skin to be really nice. And this is like that one mask that really delivers. I have a lot of like mud masks and... Do you hear how loud my neighbors are stepping? Let's just take a second to discuss the fact that my neighbors step like fucking elephants. So we're gonna use it today. There's gonna be a lot of cuts in this video because the neighbor's dog is outside. They're outside. They're just annoyingly loud. I love dogs, but this dog is never on a leash and he's always whining and crying and they just completely ignore him and he's just super loud. So anyway, I'm gonna apply the baby facial. It has like a skin tone color on it, but it applies clear. I do a very thin layer all over my face, particularly in the problem areas. It would probably be like my cheeks. I have a lot of texture there, on my nose, and on my forehead. I basically just put it everywhere, honestly. I love how this feels. The first time you use it, you might experience some tingling. I only did the very first time. Nowadays, I don't, unless I go a really long time without using it. I try to use this like once every 2 months. I really don't need it that often because I already use like acids and stuff like on a weekly basis to maintain, there's that dog again, during the week to maintain the results of this, which is what the instructions tell you to do anyway. I'm gonna bring it down to my neck a little bit, but yes, they're being annoying downstairs. Anyway, so I'm really excited about my birthday coming up. I just want something to look forward to, I guess. Lately I've been really stressed out with my job and my personal life and financial issues. Speaking of financial issues, YouTube, I have reached, my overtone video recently reached 1,000 views, which is great. Thank you so much for anyone who took the time to watch or give that video a like or a comment. I really appreciate it. It reached 100 views. It reached 1,000 views, and you would think that YouTube would like start reviewing my channel for monetization, but it hasn't. The counter is almost the same exact amount as it was before, and that makes no sense because 2 of my videos, not to mention every other video I've been putting up, have been getting views. So the fact that my counter is still at like 4,600 and something when it should already be at 5,000 is absolutely ridiculous. That's why when I lost partnership because StyleHaul closed, I was really upset because I knew it wasn't going to be that easy. Everyone looked at that number and was like, oh, like that's a short way away, you're gonna get there, you're gonna hit it. But I know that YouTube just sucks, and YouTube is so glitchy and their system is so off that it's just, I knew it was going to be a lot harder to get my partnership back, and I'm right because I'm still haven't gotten it. I'm still not under review, which takes a whole month or more, but they'll tell you once you're under review because the counter will say 5,000, and right now it's still at 4,600 or whatever it was. I'm talking a little fast. I'm trying to do this video as quickly as possible before my neighbors start getting really loud again. I don't normally film this late in the day. It's like going to be 5 o'clock soon. So as soon as this is done, I'm going to jump in the shower. I probably am not going to come back for a close-up, or maybe I will actually, just like a little vlog style, just to see the results. But it just leaves my skin so smooth, so soft, so nice. I'm doing this over my weekend though because you do want to follow up with a lot of sunscreen, whether or not you're in the middle of summer. We're in the middle of summer, or the end of summer, I guess I should say. And I always want to make sure that I'm applying sunscreen as often as possible, trying to keep my face protected, especially when you're using things that make your skin more vulnerable to the sun. And I think I'm just more prone to like high risk of skin cancer, so I also like to keep on top of that for that reason. On my eyes today, it's not a very interesting look and it's kind of faded throughout the day because it's the end of the day already, but I used this Too Faced holiday palette from 2018, I believe, and it's actually really nice. I have not touched this till now, and we're in September, so clearly I have way too much makeup, but my fiance got this for me and I absolutely love it. It's super cute. So it has this one, then it has a more smokier berry type palette, and then the other one is, because it all forms like a Christmas tree, the other one is like highlight and blushes, which probably not going to really use, but this is adorable. Holiday palettes don't always have the best formula, and I definitely agreed with this one, but I don't know, it's been fun, it's been a good time, so yeah. 20 minutes. Okay, so we're good. It's only been like 5 minutes. Follow immediately with virgin marula oil. Thank God I still have some left. So I have a skincare routine that is strictly Drunk Elephant, but I am very slowly starting to, or very quickly starting to run out. So I'm probably going to switch to like a more affordable skincare line because I'm broke and my priorities right now are my skin. That sounds kind of bad, but you know what I mean. Like sometimes life gets in the way. Like I said before, if you watched my wedding video, I was trying to plan a wedding and didn't have enough money, and I'm trying to move out with my fiance because we're struggling, and that's just the reality of life. Like, we're struggling. And I don't think there's anything wrong in saying that because it's the truth. It's my truth. Anyway, I'm also applying this because I'm going to be using a foundation for the first time. Well, not for the first time, for like the second or third time on my birthday, but it's first time that I'll be using it when I go out for a full day. It is the Bare Minerals Complexion. It's the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick Broad Spectrum SPF 25. Oh, I didn't realize it had SPF 25. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's not enough, but it's pretty cool. So I have been using it lately, and it's really, really nice. And that's coming from someone who doesn't have much experience with foundations, but I remember them always sitting really cakey on my actual skin. So this one, just from what I can tell, looks pretty good. But the true test will be when I like leave my room with it on and see how it really looks like outside in a public mirror. That's when you really know how your makeup is looking. But this is what it looks like, and it's amazing. It is in the color Cashew 3.5. Absolutely love it, but it's so easy to over apply because it feels so good on your skin as you're blending it that I just apply more and more and more. And I use it with a beauty blender, but I think this is like one of those rare foundations that might benefit from a brush instead, or just your hands. But whatever, I have a beauty blender now, so I want to use it up. I have like a whole bunch of face products that I purchased a couple months ago that I've never like used before. I always tune out during like face product videos, or like the section of videos that are about face products, because I never used face product before except for like concealer. So now I actually like have been paying attention. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. I got it at Sephora and I like it so far. It's really cool. It's normal to oily skin, which I do have oily combination skin, so it's been pretty good so far. So we're now at 8 minutes. I think I'm going to get ready for my shower and then rinse this off, and then hopefully, maybe if the sun is still out, I'll be back. If not, you guys already seen what this looks like. I mean, it's gonna look the same on camera anyway. It's just a really nice mask from Drunk Elephant. Probably one of the few products that I can hands down say is worth walking into that store and spending the money, because this is like $80. With the polypeptide cream, the Lala Retro, there's like extreme hesitation for me to say that, but with this one, damn dog. But with this one, I definitely it's just instant results. And this dog is driving me crazy.